Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Learning Scratch with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see further into the when space key pressed command. Okay. Previously, we have seen how we can use the 4 arrow keys on our keyboard to other control to start our program, right? As an event, not a control, as an event to start our program. So today we are going to see how we can program any other key on our keyboard to start a script. Okay. So for example, here I want Scratch the cat to say hello when I'm pressing A on my keyboard, letter A. Okay. Good. So as you can see, you can try that on your keyboard, on your computer. Now I'm going to change this one for B. Now, when I'm pressing the key B on my keyboard, Scratch is saying hello. Okay? So not the green flag, not any other event. What is starting this program now is B. You can also use other keys or even say any. Now, if I'm setting this one to any, that means any key I'm pressing on my keyboard is going to start it, whether it's Q, W, or E, or R, or any other key on my keyboard is going to start it, even the numbers. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.